Well, hello and good morning. It is Friday, November the 27th, the day after Thanksgiving, and I am starting the vlogs for Vlogmas today because obviously I would need content to post on December 1st. And so here I am the day after Thanksgiving and just gonna take you throughout my days, probably leading up to the 1st on one vlog that starts with this. And I am here sitting in front of this mirror in my workout clothes because I do my workouts in the morning. It is actually a little later than expected, 7:38. I wanted to get my workout at 7, but I do a workout that I find online on YouTube, so it's typically like Chloe Ting or someone, whoever. Right now I'm doing a booty one right now that I've actually doubled or tripled the reps to kind of get a feel, because I feel like the first time I did it, I was like, oh, this is easy, you know, like I work out so much, but it wasn't challenging for me, and so I just doubled the reps that were like 45 to 60 seconds, or I tripled the 30-second ones, and so now I feel like I'm getting a burn on my legs. So I'm gonna do a workout. This is what I'm wearing. These leggings from Old Navy that I got a few months ago, which I love, these green and leopard print. And then this is my Walmart top that I've shared with my Walmart hauls in the past recently. And it's got a hood and it's got these high slits on the side here, which I really like this. But I won't work out with this. I just work out with a sports bra. And yeah, so because my channel is a styling channel, I figured my Vlogmas, I could just center around kind of what I wear. So I figured I'd incorporate what I'm wearing because that's interesting, right? For the people that already follow me. So yeah. Anyways, I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. Showered, and see my ring lights over here, but I've showered and I'm going to try to fix my hair with this, it's not on yet, crimper that I got from Amazon. I got it on a flash sale thanks to my sister, thanks Erica, for $17. And I've been wanting to try one, but haven't found one that wasn't like 30 bucks. I didn't want to spend that much money on it because I didn't know how much I was going to use it. So I tried it. I washed my hair one day and tried it, and ooh, bad idea, because my hair was freshly washed and it was like poofy, so it gave me this like huge amount of volume. And so this is second day hair, and I'm going to try it on second day hair, see how it goes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a little poofy even after doing it on second day hair. So what I'm going to do to kind of help it is pin it. So maybe that will help. I don't know if I'm going to pin both sides or just one side, but it did calm it down. What do y'all think? I think I'll just pin one side. I like this. I like the little like wave in this side. If I put product in it, it would help tone it down. I also had to heat it up for a long time. I didn't do this section just to show you what I did. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's it. It took a while for it to heat up, and it doesn't actually have settings. It just says on and off and then high and low right there. So I just put it I went all the way to high, and then I brought it down a little bit. I don't know, so I don't know what that heat setting is, but sorry, Betty, if you're watching this, if it's too much heat. You could put a gummy.
Here, let me see.
Yeah, my gummy.
Or you could do gummies across the thing. Like,
here, I'll put.
Oh, he's making designs that he's getting fancy now. Come look at the design, Aiden.
Wow, that's my line.
Oh, that's actually pretty cute. Where's his legs?
Oh my god, it's dripping.
I ate him.
Is it? Well, maybe you should put something on there.
Mama, because you see how it's not it's dead, but I want it standing up like it is. I want it to be standing up.
Well, you decided to kill your gingerbread guy, so that's why he's like that. And he doesn't have limbs.
So, what?
You did that to him.
Pick him up.
Hmm. Are you gonna eat him? Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. Today, which is Friday, the 27th. I didn't really do anything, and I didn't get ready until like almost 4 o'clock. But we did do the gingerbread house that I've been promising the kids for like 2 weeks because I bought it 2 weeks ago, and they really wanted to do it. And so I said the day after Thanksgiving we're gonna do it. So we did it, and it was a mess, and we've never done one before. It was our first time for all 4 of us. But Daddy did a great job, and he did most of the hard work. So yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It is Saturday, November the 28th. Yeah, November the 28th, and we woke up early this morning to go get donuts. It's 10 now, so it's not that early, but around 8:30 we went and got donuts, and I got a little treat for Saturdays. I always get, I don't always get, but I try to get Starbucks on Saturdays because during the week I don't go to Starbucks since I'm here at home. And I just make my coffee. So anyways, this morning I was able to get Starbucks, and we got donuts, and now we're back at home. And I realized that yesterday I was a failure at what I said I would do, which is show you my kind of daily outfits. Today's Saturday, so I'm not planning to work out. So no workout outfit, but this is my PJs. And I didn't share my outfit that I finally put on at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 almost. So I'm gonna make sure that I make a point of sharing my outfit today, because today we're gonna go look at lights at the zoo, and so at the Dallas Zoo. So we gotta get ourselves, I gotta get myself put together today. So these are my PJs that I wore last night, but I did want to share this because I got it from Walmart, and they're really soft. It's that Secret, I think it's Secret Treasures is the brand, and they have a bunch of different patterns right now, and they fit me, honestly, they fit me pretty big because this is a small, and I got some pants, and the pants are super big, but I'm going to give them a good wash and try to shrink them, of the pants at least, because I washed this one and it didn't. It's Christmassy, but not too Christmassy, and it's not even December, and I'm already wearing some Christmas stuff, but you know, I'm in the mood. Everyone's been pushing it on social media for quite some time, and I finally jumped on the bandwagon, but I waited until at least the week of Thanksgiving. So that's, you know, it's okay, right? Next time you see me, I will be put together, hopefully showered and put together, and with the makeup on. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Lover, this is not your bed. Lover. Ugh. It's so annoying. Then the bed skirt gets all dirty and hairy. Lover, can you please move? This is not the bed. You have a bed over there, right next to the heater, just how we like it. Why are you so annoying? Okay, I put myself together, took a shower, did my hair, put some makeup on. I normally don't put lipstick on because of the masks, so I'm not putting any lipstick on. This is just what I'm gonna go out looking like. Maybe some chapstick, but even that I don't put on. And I just have a little chambray shirt with a white tank underneath. Sorry for the fingerprints, I'll have to clean that. And these are my Stella and Dot leggings, which I love. They're so like luxe, and they like suck you in without it being too constricting. And then my new shoes, well, they're not that new, probably had them over a month now, from DSW. They're Pumas, and what I really like is that they have these like cheetah print here, zebra, and then they have tiger print on the back. So I think they're really nice, like neutral color, and that go with anything. And here's like a really neutral outfit. But I have to go run errands. I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then I gotta go to FedEx to drop this off. And yeah, I guess I'll take y'all along with me if I remember to record at Walmart. Okay, real quickly, I put on this utility jacket because my son over here, who's a meteorologist, told me that it's going to rain in a little while, and so I decided I need to put something on that has a little hood to protect my hair while I run errands, but it still looks, again, because it's very neutral, it goes with the whole outfit. But this is it, just throw on a jacket real quick, and now I've got some little extra protection to run my errands. So I just got home from Walmart, and I found some goodies, which I was so excited about because I needed to return some things, and that means I had a little bit of money to spend there. So I got this little sweater from No Boundaries. That's 18 bucks. It has this little tie, which I'm not too fond about, but you can obviously cinch it, and then you could tuck it if you want, or you could just cut it out completely, and it just would be kind of big. And then that Walmart that I go to carries free assembly, like a bunch of free assembly and Scoop brand stuff, and I found this super cute, like poofy sleeve, and then it cinches here at the wrist, and all they had was extra small, medium, and large, like large and extra large. So I got an extra small. I hope it fits. If it doesn't, that sucks, because this is super cute, and then if not, I'll have to go return it. And then I really just wanted to get this, which I saw on someone else's like shop with me, and it's a scarf, and I just loved the colors in it, so I really was just on the hunt for this, and then got those other two things. And then I had to get some foundation, so I got new foundation. I've had this foundation for a while, and I recently started wearing it again these last couple of days, and I didn't realize how much I loved it. Like, I just finished it, so I went ahead and got another one of these. It's what I'm wearing today. And then I used the Fit Me foundation stick in the dark color to contour or kind of bronze up my face, so I had to get another one of these. And I got lunch, which I'm so excited about. I got some Chipotle. I don't get Chipotle very often, and I used to when I was working. I would get it all the time with my friends. Victoria, shout out, and sometimes Vanessa. She didn't really care to go that much, but me and Victoria, we could eat some I was gonna say Chipotle, some Chipotle up, and it was my favorite. She got me actually hooked onto it. And so yeah, I just get the chicken bowl, or I just get a bowl with white rice, black beans, and chicken, easy on the cheese with lettuce. And I'm all grub, and then I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, here is the scarf. I wanted to throw it on and show y'all. It is so soft, so cute. Look at this. It looks so expensive, and it is only $10, $9.97. Hold on, Nino. Hold on. So cute. Okay, let me get you some water. Hold on. Okay, here is the free assembly one. Look at the sleeves. And then I was like, what's wrong with the arm? I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a little design right there. So it looked weird in the mirror. I was like, what is that? But again, this is an extra small, so it is snug, and I think it's meant to be snug, but I like it. I was thinking about wearing it with like high-waisted bell-bottom jeans. But yeah, I like it. I don't think I'm gonna trade it in. I know it's snug, but I'm okay with the way it fits. Okay, here is the last one. This is the No Boundaries one, and I got it in a small. So I guess if you tighten it up, you can wear it like this, and then tuck in the tie, right? Make it short, and maybe wear it with like high-waisted shorts. Pants. I don't know, I may go up a size. I like the billowy sleeves, and I like how they've been ruching the sleeves on a lot of sweaters that I've bought recently. So you can go up sizes if you want, but with the ruched wrist, you can't really tell that they're that big. Otherwise, they would just be hanging over your hand. So we're about to go see lights at the Dallas Zoo. Huh? Yes.
Are we about to go to?
Yes. Let me finish this. Come on here and talk about my eyebrows real quick. Nino. Anyway, so I've been trying to do the soap trick to make my eyebrows look thinner. And if you've seen in this vlog, when I don't wear makeup, my eyebrows are really thin. So I've been doing the soap trick where you do the clear soap and then you spray water on it and then you brush them up. And they seem to work pretty well for the most part. But then throughout the day, they start to like dry and it's no longer like stiff. And then my eyebrow hair starts to fall. So I end up redoing it over and over again. So I don't know what the secret is to keep them not from falling. So I don't know if anyone's got some tips. I really like it. I want to continue to do it, but it's kind of a hassle. So like I wiped them with the baby wipe and then I redid them. Nope, get down, lover. I redid them, but kind of softer because earlier they were darker. So I don't know. I really like them. Let me know. I mean, throughout these like vlogs every day, I guess that I'm recording. At one point, I'll probably just show y'all on camera what I do to get them to look like this. All right, we're gonna go see lights, and I'll take y'all along. Say bye. It got pretty cold out here tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the scarf that I just got at Walmart today with my little outfit I had on earlier, and I still haven't cleaned the fingerprints off the mirror. But yeah, it's really warm. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so that is it. We went and saw lights today, and we are home. It is 10-ish, and we're just gonna watch a movie, and I'm going to try to edit this vlog, and that is it. I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Bye.